Fire to the Rain by Adele, and I hope you like it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you ruled to claim it. It was dark, and all's over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the game you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. While laying with you, I could stay here. Close my eyes with you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the game you play. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. I let it fall. I hope you liked it. Rate, subscribe, like, share if you want. Bye. Love you.